So your battery won't last very long when you use that?
No.
And like what, hour, couple hours, or
And then
overnight,
actually it'll shut off the refrigerator, not so it won't kill you.
And it doesn't warn you?
No,
warnings
you'll
or
look
anything?
and it's just blinking.
Oh no.
So
you have to check it all the time?
Yes. Yeah.
And no signal or anything?
Nope. And
well, I would maybe put a warning out that people shouldn't buy those domestics.
Exactly, and that's what Dan, he has a different one that he likes. You'll have to Ingrid.
Yeah, that's right. It's something he learned while he was out on the boat.
Yeah.
That's right.
And so he has a Dometic that he uses basically for storage, and then
he sits on it. He says, that's my chair.
Yeah.
He says he wish he hadn't bought it.
Yeah, I wish I wouldn't have bought it now either. Cause
I am. I miss Lucy a lot. And I think she misses me.
I bet she does.
But she's better off at home than trying to take her to hunting and do the stuff I do. I don't want to leave her in the camper. And then it's being so darn cold.
Yes.
And who knows, it might have been so darn hot. You know.
You never know. You never know. And it did get up to 80.
Look at the goodness, will you? Look at this. Look at this cooking setup here. Nothing like Texas, is there, Papa?
It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's kitchen.
Look at that cooker. Look at that setup. Oh yeah. No carbs in that one.
Biscuits on the disco.
Oh,
carbs in this one. Plenty of carbs in this one. Gotta get my Captain Morgan pose here.
There you go. The Lone Star Rider.
Cooking biscuits.
That's right.
He's cooking so he doesn't have to clean.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's sitting there cooking. He's telling a story about how at the firehouse he'd cook so he didn't have to clean. It was like,
that's it. That's why you volunteered. How'd we do last night, Dan?
We did excellent.
It got cold.
Yes.
But I don't know. It was 56 in my camper, and I just got down on the covers.
I slept on top of my cover. Just had a little fleece blanket. That was fine.
Awesome.
I just kind of throw stuff in there when I get ready to go. When we went out to port side, I didn't know what to take or anything, and so I bought this at the last minute.
Really?
I couldn't find a camper shell to fit a short bed Chevy pickup.
Yeah.
All I could find was Ford and Dodge. So this came up on the lot, and I was like, okay.
Gotta have it.
Well, I saw one in town.
It's up in the hole.
And I was driving my pickup, I was like, ooh, I like that little thing. But like I said, I don't really have it set up. I'm not no fan or anything, but my bed, it has like an 8-inch memory foam small mattress in there. Oh my gosh, the thing's to die for. And then I have a little portable potty back there.
Oh, I see.
And my lights and stuff. And, you know, it works.
Oh yeah, this is perfect. All right. How is it?
It's awesome. Nothing like eating good food when you're camping.
Oh man.
Good stuff.
So what do we got here? A breakfast burrito?
Got a breakfast burrito with brisket, egg, and potato. And a little biscuit on the side. Just because they're there.
Good thing I got low carb tortillas down there, isn't it?
Yeah. Sammy.
All right. If you go hungry around here, it's your own fault. No breakfast is complete without your Texas Pete. Look at that, will you? Look at that. Look at the goodness. Oh, I can't wait to dig into that. Low carb tortilla. Some Vicky Van Gogh brisket, scrambled eggs with green peppers and onion, and Texas Pete.
Brisket's pretty good too.
Yeah, it's cold. What is it, 46 degrees I think.
Yep.
Wow. I feel like I'm back in Illinois. Cold, so cold. That's good. That brisket is excellent. Papa, I don't know who made those eggs, but those eggs are awesome too.
Dan.
You did a good job on that.
Thank you. Glad you
Dan the
enjoyed it.
man over there.
I like that bacon. I got bacon in there. Oh. And Texas Pete. Oh,
Yeah.
you can take. I can taste the Texas Pete in there. That is good. Look at this. Yeah, I've seen this on. I've seen your tour, and I've seen you when you were doing your urban camping, and so I've already seen. It's like I've been here before, but it's something to see in person. It really is. It's a nice setup. And do you have a buddy heater? Done?
Yep, I've got it's all under there. I've
Is
got
it? Oh yeah, there it is.
buddy heater and
Yeah.
a couple of fans and
Everything you need right here in a van. What kind of mileage you get out of this?
about 13.
Breaks my heart.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's
I
brutal.
get 9.
I
you
know. I feel
So
the
there's an
pain.
advantage. There
Yeah,
really is an
a
advantage.
little bit. Yeah.
But you know, as I guess, the cost of the van versus what I
The cost of the trailer, the camper,
so
sure.
there's a trade-off, I guess. There's
Yeah.
what you want.
Yeah,
And you like that Coleman?
No, I don't.
Okay.
It's not really working right at all. I'm going to be looking into something else. But
Right.
yeah, that was a gift, so I've been using it.
Yeah.
But it's not very efficient with the solar, you know. So
Bill Goudy checking in, and you know what time it is. It's that time again. It's cold. I'm in Texas and you think I was in Alaska. But you know what? I've worked up a thirst. I've been waiting all day. I'm so parched. I gotta have a vessel of amber fluid. It's time. Yes, it's time to get the priorities right. Let's get them straight, shall we? Get Mark's knife out. You guys all heard Bob Carter who makes these knives. Just for him. Look at that goodness. Woo! Thank you, Mark. Oh man, the elixir of life. It doesn't get any better than that, I'm telling you. I'm really enjoying meeting up with all these YouTubers, these common creators, videos you would not believe. I'm going to put a link to all those people below. Check them out, sub them, and tell them Bill Goudy sent you.
We love you too, Bill.
Thank you, Rex. Bill Goudy out for now. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's, yeah, we got a lantern going, but that is a Papa Texas ribeye if I ever saw one. Tossed salad that Lost made with some Lighthouse blue cheese dressing, which I have never tried before.
Oh my gosh, these mushrooms.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Then I top my steak with Van Dan's mushroom
Dan Van.
sauteed,
The Dan Van.
the Dan Van. Mushroom sauteed in wine. Yeah, it's on there, but I don't know if you can see. Can you see that?
Macaroni toast.
you
Wine,
see the
butter,
good-
and garlic.
Yeah, yeah.
So I you, wine, butter, and garlic.
But wine, butter, I like it all. I like all that stuff.
One of my favorites.
Awesome. I'd like to bring you along, but I can't do it. I gotta eat. I'll talk at you later. Thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.